What's up, guys? Welcome back to me to change the boy Jake wants to use the vlog back on this video. Before you get to this video, make sure like, comment, share, and subscribe to the notification bell and tell watch when you video. Yeah. So today, we are going if you like, comment, share, subscribe, on my Instagram, TikTok, it down in the description. So today, I rate 3 YouTube couples in this video. So before you dive into this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe. So yeah. Go get that video now and watch the video to the end. Please and thank this one, these couples, I'm best friends. Big up to Pink and Karen if not see this video right now. Yeah. So Pink and Karen, well, Karen boss that. So them just good, you see it. Them just nice. So me I give them a now it's a 10. We give them a about what? 6 mil. Yeah. 6 mil or 10 mil. Yeah. 6 mil or 10 mil. Yeah man. Give them a 10. So any number. Yeah. But your number I'm the right as still. Yeah. So the next one, something like Paul and Paula. Yeah, something like that. If me pronounce your name good, don't tell me. I'm not going to comment in the description. So I'm not going to and tell me if me get the name good. So this picture now, they like up on the beach side. What I made, I can just done swims too, but make it often that make it nothing. Make it nothing. You know good and something. Yeah. Make it nothing. Yeah. So other than the clothes now, Rhea and well, vibing with Rhea and Ziggy Basic. Yeah. Alright. So them basically on the beach side, as you see on the picture, yeah. On the beach side, them the outfit nice too, cause on the beach side, Ziggy the outfit good too. Rhea upon Rhea upon bad suit something. Good nothing, cause na good couple. You see. I wanna the YouTube space now. I wanna the spotlight. Yeah. But I'm going nothing. You see, yeah man. And this is a return man. Yeah. At the end of the video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the notification bell and tell watch my new video. Yeah, so this is Jake One so easy vlogs. Yeah. Guys, I'm road to 1K subscribers, so please subscribe to the notification bell. And oh, I wanna give a shout out to somebody. Guys, please go and subscribe to Vibe with Starkey. Yeah. So go and subscribe to her and tell us how Jake and so easy vlog send over there. Yeah. So shall we try reach 500 subscribers too? So go and go subscribe to her. Yeah, we should reach 500, please and thanks. So like, comment, share, and subscribe now, guys. So when you have video, if you want some more rating videos like this, just tell me in the comment section. Alright. So most soon in the next video. Big up yourself.